the digital notebook, The Accompaniment of Unaccompanied Minors in Europe, the experiences of social professionals. This tool is a digital platform for the training and updating of operators engaged with unaccompanied minors in Europe. Already on 16 October 2020, the English platform was launched and French within the international webinar Caring for Unaccompanied Minors in Europe. Now, thanks to the work of Salesian per il Social APS, the platform is also made available in Italian, while other partners have taken care of the Greek and German versions. The platform is the result of the work carried out within the project, Building Knowledge from Local Practices, a solution for better care and support of unaccompanied minors in Europe, which involved 7 European partners. Apprentice d'Atelier in France as a leader, Salesians for Social APS in Italy, Kreisliches Jugendwerk Deutschlands in Germany, the Smile of a Child in Greece, and the partner of the research field, the University of Ghent in Belgium, the University of Bedfordshire, England, and the Observatory of Child Migration at the University of Poitiers, France. It was last May 18th when the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, appointed Father Daniel Antunes, an Argentine Salesian, as Procurator of Don Bosco Missions, the Salesian Missionary Procurators of Turin. On September 1st, Father Antunes officially began his assignment, and today he introduces himself. So far, his first commitment has been to know the Italian reality and culture, into which he was catapulted from Argentina in hindsight, almost a return home, from the first Salesian mission land to the cradle of Don Bosco's charism and missions. Father Antunes, now 61, met the Salesians at the age of 13 and was struck by them. He met young students of theology full of desire to be with young people and wondered if that enthusiasm of which he was a witness and which he felt was also born in himself could be transformed into a vocation and in what form it should be expressed. You found me tired and imprisoned in the desert, between the thistle and the hawthorn. You gave me a piece of bread, a glass of water, and a roof to repair my pilgrim sleep. This text can express the sentiments of those who came to Casa Betania, a Salesian work that copes with the reception of thousands of people every year. Children, young people, adults, pregnant women, families, even the elderly find a real oasis 7 days a week. They are welcomed with the dignity that every human being deserves by a group of anonymous heroes who do not judge and do not exclude, but who have a merciful heart attentive to the words of Jesus. Because I was hungry and you gave me food. I was thirsty and you gave me a drink. I was a stranger and you hosted me, naked and clothed me, sick and visited me, imprisoned me and came to see me. From 15 to 18 September, the General Counselor for Formation, Father Ivo Coelho, accompanied by Father Francisco Santos of the same dicastery, was in Colombia on an animation visit to some Salesian formation houses, the Pre-Novice of Mosquera, Cundinamarca, and the Theoloticate of Bogota. In the latter, Father Coelho met the two provincials of Colombia, Father Luis Fernando Valencia, SDB of Medellin, COM, and Father John Jairo Gomez, SDB of Bogota, COB, together with the Provincial Council and the Provincial Commission for Formation. The presence of fraternal accompaniment of Father Coelho is an opportunity for the revision and projection of the formative journey of the future Salesians. This summer in Ploty, a city in the northwest of Poland, with the motto, "We are building a church without walls," the 21st edition of the National Evangelization Initiative, Predstanek Jesus, Jesus Stop, took place, which takes place every year during the Poland's Rock Festival. This year, it was also attended by 5 young people from the various oratories of the province of Krakow, PLS, and 5 Salesians. The group engaged in the work of organizations, preparing the stage, painting the cross, PJ, and animation. Throughout the time of the Jesus Stop, it was possible to feel the presence of Don Bosco witnessed by many, thanks to the participation of the joy and the Salesian charism, so necessary and in line with the idea of evangelization of the Rock Festival. From 16 to 20th September, The regional counselor for South America, Father Gabriel Romero, visited the Salesian community of Para de Minas MG, where the pre-noviciato and the Casa Valdoco are located. An experience that proposes the knowledge and experience of Salesian youth spirituality and the discernment of one's own life project. He also visited the youth center where this Salesian formation house is located and the various oratories animated by young people. A true experience of formation and discernment in mission and for mission. The community is led by the director Father Roberto Carneiro, the head of Casa Valdoco, Father Dennis Dutra, and 5 other Salesians, including 2 Salesian coadjutors, who bring the richness of complementarity in living the Salesian consecrated vocation. On September 21st, the young people of the Salesian work, Don Bosco Fambul, commemorated the World Day of Peace with various activities inspired by the theme, Recovering Better for a Fair and Sustainable World. This image depicts the ancient building known as the House of the 16 Columns, which housed the orphanage of the Immaculate Conception. The structure was located on San Lorenzo Street, Macau, and was designed by the Maconese architect Jose Agustinho Thomas de Aquino. The Salesian Father Gabriel Cruz is the provincial delegate of Pakistan, a delegation that belongs to the province of the southern Philippines. The Salesian work here was founded in 1999 but erected as a delegation only in 2015. There are 2 houses, one on the border of Afghanistan in the city of Quetta and another on the border with India in the city of Lahore. Father Cruz tells ANS about his experience in Pakistan, in contact with a cheerful culture and with many young people who appreciate the commitment of Salesian missionaries. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.